Good morning, everyone. It's currently 10:29, and welcome to a college week in my life. I'm so tired. I hit the bed at like 1:30, maybe 2 a.m. I'm just really tired. I took a nap when I got home from work yesterday, so I wasn't being up all day, up all night. But yeah, welcome to a college week in my life. Hopefully I'm in focus, but I literally just finished class for the day. It's 1:03. I'm finna watch some YouTube and wind down because I have to be to work at 2 o'clock. I have to go work at Dunkin'. So I'm just gonna eat. Let me put y'all on these flaming hot dill flavored chips by Lee. They're the best. So I'm just gonna eat, watch some YouTube, or either edit this video that I need to edit so it can go Wednesday. I don't have to do much editing to it because I literally painted and talked about like thoughts and things going on. It was just really random. So yeah, I'm just gonna relax, and then when I come home I'll probably film more. It's just like I don't want to show you my school day because I did that already, so like y'all kind of already get an idea of what it's like. So I just thought I would be repeating myself, and I feel like I'm talking too much, which I have the tendency of doing. So I'm just gonna relax, chillax. Alrighty, so it's currently 1:47. I did my makeup just a little bit. I have a updated makeup routine coming real soon for you guys. So just threw on some earrings, put my hair in this like cheap looking bun. And yeah, I'm finna go to work. I'm working at Dunkin' today. We got these cute shirts and it says I only need Dunkin', and then it says every day that ends with Y, which is so true for me because if you know me, I have Dunkin' Donuts every single day of the week. So I'm finna go to work. I'm grabbing my chapstick and my phone. I'm not bringing my schoolwork to work this time because I'm not bless me, I'm not closing. I only work in 2 to 6, so it's 4 hours, so I don't feel the need to really bring my schoolwork. And yeah, and then I'll just talk to y'all when I get home. I might do a little vlogging at work, but I hardly doubt it. But anyway, bye. I just made this video real quick to say Dunkin', baby girl, you need to sponsor me. Let me tell you why. Not only do I come and have Dunkin' Donuts every day, like my shirt says, because I love Dunkin'. It was so bad I decided that I needed to work here to slow down my coffee habits. Well, not the coffee habits, but the spending habits behind the coffee. You know, it makes sense. Sponsor me, please. I don't got a job to work here, so I can have 3 to 4 coffees a day without my parking time. Cause where the bag at? It's here. It's at Dunkin'. Where the coffee at? It's here at Dunkin'. You need to sponsor me. Just come in every single day, get a plain bagel with strawberry cream cheese, and a medium iced coffee, extra cream and sugar, with 5 pounds of caramel, with an old fashioned or a blueberry donut. And that's on period because you know why? Dunkin' is good. That's why Dunkin' should sponsor me. Period. Dunkin', please sponsor me. But I just got off work. I'm finna go to my boyfriend's house real quick, and I'm gonna drop off these donuts at his house because he loves the blueberry donuts. So I got him some donuts, and I'm just gonna drop them off at his house, and then I'm gonna go home. I have a lot of reading to do, and I have a whole lecture that I need to watch that I didn't watch over the weekend because my teacher took forever and 3 days to let me into our Zoom call for English. So yeah, I didn't have to close today at Dunkin', just had to work a little 2 to 6. So I'm finna go to his house, and then I'm finna go to my house, and then period, cause so I know I'm doing too much. I'm embarrassing. Bye, y'all. So oh my god, y'all gonna need me, but it's 11:05. I'm getting ready for bed. I came home, I cleaned the kitchen, taking off my makeup now. But I applied for a credit card. And I've been talking to my mom. I was doing schoolwork, but then she distracted me. A lot of stuff has happened. So much stuff that I didn't even get it on camera. But it's more like me and my family don't really like being on camera. So I applied for this credit card, right? Y'all, tell me why they gave me a $13,400 limit. Because I saw having good credit. Period. When they send me the credit card, I'm gonna go to the bank or call the bank, and I'm gonna let them know, like, hey yo, like, I'm only 18, I'm only 19. I keep thinking I'm 18. I'm only 19, and this credit limit is way too high. Bump that down to like $1,000, $2,000. because I just want to use it for gas. I just want to use it for gas anyway. So that happened. I'm finna just go to sleep. Well, I'm gonna try to go to sleep. I'll probably end up watching YouTube, and I'll probably edit this video tomorrow. I have class in the morning. Sadly, I have class in the morning, but I'm just gonna take off my makeup and get naked, get comfortable, you know, finish eating my chips from earlier, you know, just relax and be carefree and not have to worry about anything. Take out my, well, not take out my hair. I just feel like I'm talking. I feel like this whole day just been me talking. So tomorrow I'll probably do more like vlog footage, because I know y'all are sick of me talking.
I've been forgotten. Yes, forgotten. Oh, how I wonder how easy I feel. I'm a soldier, a lonely
Blue moon, you saw me standing alone without a dream.
Alright, so good morning guys. It's Tuesday. It's about to be 12 and I'm about to head out. Going to Dunkin', and then I'm going to Provision to pick up my mom's contacts, and then I think I'm coming home, and then I'm just gonna do schoolwork after that. Yeah, my fit is bummy. I just have on a school sweatshirt, regular jeans, and then I'm rocking my Crockianas, because if you ain't crocking, you ain't rocking, and that's on period. I might get some lunch. I don't know yet. Haven't decided. But I went to class this morning. Then my laptop died, and I tried to get back into class, but then he never accepted me back into class. I'm just gonna email him and tell him to ask my professor, can he send me the today's lecture, and then I go back and finish watching it. I have to finish watching last week's lecture. But yeah, that's all. So yeah, we just gonna go to the car. We just gonna run some errands today, and that's it. Alright, y'all. Hopefully don't fall this time, but I think I got it to work. So we're gonna go to Dunkin' first, because I haven't had coffee today, and I want coffee. I need coffee. So that's where we're going. Then we're going to Provision. I'm gonna pick up my mother contacts, and then I think I'm coming home. I'll probably get some food. I have like 5 freaking gift cards, like with $20 on them, and I have not used, so I might get me some food. I low-key want Burger King. I hardly ever eat Burger King, but for some reason Burger King, it sounds so tasty, so tasteful in my mouth right now. So I'm gonna finish this when we get to Dunkin', because yeah, why not? Alright, we're at Dunkin', y'all. Yes, queen.
Welcome to Dunkin'. Can I help you?
Yes, can I get a medium iced coffee, extra cream and sugar, and 5 pints of caramel and snacking bacon?
Anything else?
No,
You can to the window.
I'm tired.
Now I'm no longer alone without a dream in my heart.
Alright, just left Dunkin'. Ashley wasn't here. She would have made my coffee right. That's why I asked for extra cream, because that drink is definitely way too dark. And my coffee never look like that when I make the coffee. I don't know what they be doing when they be making coffee, but some don't really be making the coffee wrong. But I got snacking bacon. That drink is so freaking good. I love the sweet pepper black bacon one, but now because it's like fall time, whatever, we have maple, but it's still just as good. Anyway, I'm gonna listen to my music, and then I will come back when we're at Provision. So yeah.
Without a dream in my heart. Without a
Whole time I thought I was talking and I wasn't even recording. I was talking but not recording. Usually, man. But like I was saying before I realized that I was not recording, I'm basically done with my classes for today. I have one more class at 1:30. It's from 1:30 to 4:30. It's 3 hours because I have my freaking microbiology lab. And I'm not a big fan of my microbiology teacher whatsoever. I don't know what's up with these well, not even microbiology, but biology teachers, these science. I think I'm my dad. He's walking. But I'm going to Dunkin' because I need my coffee pure. And I say I go to Dunkin' every day. It wasn't a lie, it's the truth. But anyway, I don't know what's up with these biology professors talking like 40 miles a minute. Like, dang, I blink and boom, she 3 slides ahead. So I be having to like do my notes before class, because if not, I'll be taking the notes the whole time while she's talking, which I don't think is the way to go. But yeah, I just talk to y'all when I get to Dunkin'. Can I get a medium iced coffee, extra cream and sugar, and 5 pints of caramel?
Anything else?
And can I get an order of the ham and cheese roll-ups and a plain bagel with strawberry cream cheese?
I got you. Is that it?
Yeah.
Nice.
Hopefully I'm in focus, but real quick, because I just finished my microbiology quiz for lab. We should be starting class again real soon. But I want to show y'all my 2 packages I got. I already opened one of them, but I bought these blue light glasses, and I got them in a kid size because my head is small, face is small. I will have the glasses linked down below and everything else. But in here, I have a wig because I bought a blonde synthetic wig, and I'm gonna sit y'all right here so I can open it real quick and y'all can see me. So I'm just gonna open the package. Hopefully she's cute because I want to put her on today. Hopefully it would be like, I don't know if I can get away with this color. I'm nervous. But this is what she look like. She's just synthetic. I might end up cutting her. We gonna see. We gonna see, because it's a free part wig too, which means I can part it any way I want.
It's 3 o'clock.
I'm weak. Purr. I don't know if I can get away with this color. I think I set myself up. I can't really see it in the camera, but it don't matter because it was only like $40 in a synthetic, so I really don't care about it. Because if I really did, I would have just bought him a wig like I normally do. I usually get my wigs from like Eunice. I just go on AliExpress and I go up there. I like Eunice and I think it's Dream Beauty Hair Forever. I like them too. Those are where I mostly get my wigs, but I think out of all my wigs, only one is from Dream Beauty. But I think I can get away with it. We gonna see. She don't stink or anything, but you can definitely tell she's synthetic because she's a little tangly at the bottom. But maybe I could cut it into a bob or something. She long too. She to my booty, which means she's at least a good 22 inches. So we gonna put it on later. This is made in China. Inspired. Oh, and this is what the glasses look like on me if y'all want to see. Period.
So can I have everybody's attention for a minute?
Alright, she's back. Bye. Hi, so she's on. She's cute, I guess. I don't really know how I feel about doing a wig. I think she looks okay. Decent, but I don't think it's a wig I ever wear again. I think I'll probably just honestly throw it in the trash. But it's cool. It's cute. We'll try again next time. This color is not really for me. Instead of throwing it away, I could re-dye it, but I'm too lazy for all of that. So if you know anybody who dye wigs in the 757, please let me know. I just finished my sorority. I just finished my sorority recruitment. We had it today for AOPI. It was informal recruitment. If you don't know, I did a whole video of where I did formal recruitment last year for residential sorority. We have 3 sororities on my campus. We have Zeta 2 Alpha, we have Alpha Chi Omega, and then there is AOPI. So those are the 3 we have. But I have a whole video, I'll link it up above, of what it was like for me to rush a white tier sororities. No deltas, no AKAs. So yeah, but if I was to probably go to HBCU, I probably would like to pledge Delta because Delta is the best, baby. Anyway, so I'm just gonna get some homework done. I've been watching Girlfriends, it's playing in the back, and I've just been debating about my hair. But the sorority event started at 7 and it was over at 7:30, and my dad's gonna bring me food. So period. Let's be productive now. Be in my YouTube video. Where's some?
This hair look a mess. I'm ready to cut it off.
My hair look a mess. I'm ready to take my wig off. I'm about to buy me a new one. I'm gonna show you.
I got inches. Look how long my shirt is.
Here.
I've been running with the dick lately. Laying lonely, taking niggas coldly.